Are you tired of those sugary energy drinks that promise a boost but just leave you with a crash? Well, today we're going to create something way better. A delicious, all-natural smoothie that gives you real, sustained energy. And the secret ingredient? It comes straight from the beehive. So, let's be honest. Have you ever hit that mid-afternoon wall? Or maybe you're just looking for a healthy, tasty way to get a little extra pep in your step, without all the jitters you get from too much coffee? Well, I've got the perfect answer for you. Meet the Hive Power Smoothie. Now, this isn't just any old smoothie. It's basically a complete, energizing meal in a glass that taps into the incredible power of the beehive to really fuel your body. So you might be wondering, what's the magic here? What makes this smoothie so good at boosting your energy? Well, let's dive into the science of how these awesome ingredients work together. Okay, so this smoothie really delivers on 4 key things. First, it gives you clean, quick energy. We're talking about the natural sugars and honey that your body absorbs super fast for an immediate lift. Second, it's packed with micronutrients, all those good vitamins and minerals from the fruit and bee products. Third, it's a totally balanced snack. You've got carbs for fuel, protein for your muscles, and some healthy fats to keep you feeling satisfied. And maybe most importantly, it's naturally sweet and just tastes incredible. Now, let's get to the real stars of the show. The true power in this powerhouse drink comes from 3 amazing ingredients. And we have our hardworking honeybees to thank for them. First up, raw honey. This is your source of that clean, quick-burning energy. Bee pollen is next, and it's a nutritional giant. People call it a complete food because it has all the essential amino acids your body needs. It also adds this really nice, mild floral crunch. And then there's royal jelly, which adds even more unique nutrients, like B vitamins, giving the smoothie a rich, creamy finish and a little bit of a tang.
All right, time for the fun part. Let's actually make this thing. And trust me, it could not be any easier. It's a quick 3-step mission to a seriously delicious and energizing drink. So here are the simple, fresh ingredients you'll want to have ready. And notice we're using frozen fruit, like banana and mango. That's the secret to getting that thick, creamy, almost milkshake-like texture without having to water it down with a bunch of ice. Following these 3 steps is the key to a perfectly blended smoothie. First, you're going to build that creamy base with the fruit, milk, and yogurt. Then, you'll add those special Hive ingredients and just give it a quick pulse to mix them in. You don't want to overblend them. And finally, you can adjust the thickness to get it just how you like it, and you're ready to pour. And for that pro-level cafe look and a really nice texture, do not skip this final step. A little sprinkle of bee pollen right on top not only looks fantastic, but it adds this wonderful, mild floral crunch. It's just perfect. Okay, so here's the best part. This recipe is an amazing foundation, but think of it as your canvas. You can, and you absolutely should, customize it to fit exactly what you need and what you're in the mood for. So, want to turn this into a post-workout recovery drink? Easy. Just toss in a scoop of vanilla protein powder. It'll help with muscle repair and keep you feeling full a lot longer. Or if you're trying to sneak in more greens, add a handful of spinach. I promise you, the sweetness from the fruit and honey totally masks the taste. All you get are the extra vitamins. And hey, if you're looking for a completely different vibe, especially on a warm day, try this citrus swap. Just replace the milk with a mix of orange juice and coconut water. It creates this zesty, tropical, and incredibly refreshing version of the smoothie. So good. Before you run off to your blender, let me just share a few last expert tips with you. These are going to help you get the absolute best flavor and experience from these incredible Hive ingredients. Okay, listen up, because these are really important. Royal jelly has a very unique, potent flavor, so definitely start with a small amount and see how you like it. Also, always try to use raw honey. It's unpasteurized, which means it keeps all its beneficial enzymes and antioxidants. And finally, if you've never had bee pollen before, just try a tiny bit first to make sure you don't have any sensitivities. Safety first. So there you have it, a super simple, powerful, and delicious way to fuel your day straight from nature's pantry. The only question left is, how are you going to customize your Hive Power smoothie? Are you going to go for the protein boost, the green machine, or maybe that citrus kick? Have fun with it.